Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video we have another unboxing. So what we have here is a UGREEN HDMI splitter. I got this off eBay. I'm not sure how much they actually go for, but I got mine for £4.38 including postage. Obviously bidded on it. Well, I actually won it for 99p, but I had to pay £3.39 postage. Now, I can't seem to find this specific one on Amazon. Oh, no, this one would be £20. See here. So, well, it'd normally be £25.99, but it's currently on sale for £20.79, and I paid £4.38 for mine. Honestly, when I won the bid for 99p, I thought they were going to cancel me on it, but they didn't. It's got EDID management support. I'm not actually sure what that is. It's apparently got 3D visual effects and displays the same image on two screens. So ages ago, like probably a good 3 years ago, I have a HDMI cable that runs around my room between my desk where the computer is and the TV. So what I used to do was plug the PC into the TV and watch Sky Go, I think, when I was watching stuff on that. But that cable hasn't been in use for at least 2 years. But I have an Apple TV, which I've done an unboxing on, which connects to this TV here. I do a lot of phone repairs, a lot of stuff at my desk. And it'd be nice to, I like to sometimes watch stuff on this monitor while I'm doing that. It's annoying to have to turn the PC on. Obviously, there's nowhere really for the mouse to go or the keyboard that you can actually use it. And with this part of my desk doubling as my bedside table, the Apple TV remote is here anyway. The plan is to set this up and have it put the Apple TV on the TV and the monitor. Now, the Apple TV does automatically turn on the TV, so I'm probably going to have to keep the TV remote at the bed this side of the desk as well, so I can turn the TV off, because this can display an image on two screens at the same time. I don't need it to. It's only really going to be one or the other. But yeah, we'll get into it. So we've got the manual here. So on the back, it's just got a little diagram of how you could have your input, and it goes to two displays. So this one does do 4K, so that's pretty good. It's got a little instruction booklet here. I wouldn't imagine we'd need that. So if we open, oh, that opens up weird. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought. So it's got some rubber pads on the box, so you can have it like that. Now, I'm not sure what that does actually. Oh, maybe that. Oh, turns the other displays off, so you can choose if you only want it on one. I'll probably leave it both on, because that'll just be easier. It's got a USB-C port on the side. Now, I'm hoping that I can that the power from the HDMIs is enough to keep this on, because otherwise that's going to be quite irritating, because I don't have a spare plug. And usually when I have stuff like this that needs a USB, I plug it into the TV's USB port. Obviously, if the TV isn't on, it's not going to be powering this, so that won't really help me. But hopefully, oh, and it actually comes with a HDMI cable. Because obviously you need an extra one, so you need the one to your two screens and the one from your device. I'd actually got out a spare HDMI cable because I didn't realise that this would come with one. But yeah, and there's another cable here. I assume this is probably the USB-C cable. And yes, it is. Thought it'd be a bit of a nicer cable, considering this company makes a lot of charging stuff. But yeah, we'll open up this. It's quite a thick HDMI cable actually, so I might end up using the one I had anyway, because look at the difference. Obviously this does 4K and that. My monitor here I've got a 4K Apple TV. My monitor here will accept 4K, but it's not actually 4K. And my TV is only 1080p, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah. So over here is where the Apple TV is. But yeah, HDMI cable into the TV. and then this white HDMI cable goes to the monitor. So it runs around the corner and it comes out here in the back of this monitor. So we're going to unplug this from here. Cable from the Apple TV into the splitter. Now I wonder if it will do the HDMI arc through this, because that's how the Apple TV turns the TV on. It just does the HDMI arc. But we'll have the TV as number 1. And the monitor as HDMI out 2. That's all plugged in there. Now that's not lit up, so that does make me think I'm going to have to power it. I'm just going to, for now, plug it into the USB on the back of my TV. And the thing has, oh yeah, it has come on. See, it's now on the TV, back from where I left it. And that has also automatically turned on the monitor. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys come back for the next one. Bye.